Let's add an InterNACHI illustration from the gallery to your inspection report. And you can do this with your computer. I wouldn't do it with your iPhone. It's too complicated. And then you can save that as a template. Let's just go to one of the jobs here. Let me show you. You go into a report builder and you build the report. And let's go to the bathroom, and so to speak. And you go to a comment and you want to add an illustration to this comment, right? There are a couple of ways of doing it. You can click the comment, add it, and then you can add a photo, you can add a video, you can add an illustration, or you add an illustration and go to InterNACHI's gallery. You click that and it goes to InterNACHI's gallery. Oh, let me bring this down a little bit so you can see. And where were we? Bathrooms. So maybe like a illustration of a toilet, and you click it. And now here's the difficult part. This is why you don't do it on the phone. You right click it. So I'm on a mouse, on a laptop, and you copy the image address. You go back to your software, you paste that, and you add it. And there it is. Now your report will have that illustration right in the report. You get to use the InterNACHI illustrations. They're unlimited, high def. Any member can use them. So download these illustrations into your report. Now you go up here and you save the template. Put all of your illustrations in all of the right places of all the comments that you like for an illustration, and then you save it as a template so that next time you start the report, the illustrations are already there. InterNACHI's illustrations right in your report with a click of a button. I like this software.